Today we're going to take a quick look at this air purifier. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. And as you can see, it's pretty small in size overall, but it will take care of a space that's about 3,000 square feet or so. And it's very easy to operate. I'll show you that in just a second. But before I get into it, it does come with some extra little felt pieces here that go into the top. So this is for the aroma that you can put in there if you want to. So you can put some essential oils or things like that inside of there if you want to do that. And then also it comes with two filters. There's one on the front and one on the back. You'll see me open this up in with here in a minute in the video. And these are washable filters. Now, if you go to replace them fully, you do want to use the brand's filter just to get the best experience. But overall, it's very quiet. You won't hear it in the video, but it is very quiet. You can sleep with this on. It's got several different settings. So let's take a look at that now. I love it here in my living room. And there's the power button. Nice big screen on the front letting you know what's going on. And there's my dog that I was talked about. So first of all, you can do the display on and off. You can also do the filter, so it'll tell you what percentage left of the filter. You can set up different timers, so 1 hour, I believe, all the way to 12 hours. So you can go and toggle through each one of those, which is really nice. So if you wanted to auto shut off, you can do that as well. And then you do have speed, so you have different speed settings here that you can choose from. And then you have your sleep mode, and then you have your auto mode. And there, once again, you can come here on the other side and do lock. So if you long press, this will lock it. So if you have any kids or your dog snooping around with their nose, it's not going to be able to unlock this. So here's the filter, and it's really simple to get into. I'm actually going to turn it off, but I forgot to unlock it on myself. So unlock it, turn it off, and then I can just easily pop the filter out this way. And this is the same filter on both sides, and then you can wash those out. Very simple. Now, when you first get it, those filters are in bags. There's labels on it to tell you to take the bags off of those filters. And then once again, here is the space where you can do like the aroma stuff if you want to. And then I can just pop that back on and then turn it around. And once again, there is a nice little handle, so carry handle, and it's very lightweight. You can carry with one hand, take it from room to room, and there is the other filter on the back. So if you're looking for a really easy to use air purifier, lightweight, carry it around the house if you need to, put it in different places, do the aroma stuff, put it on timers. It's very efficient, effective, and I just love how small it is. It doesn't take up a giant space. I can put it on a table. I can put it, in my garage if I want to, or put it in different bedrooms. It really does a great job. So hope this video helps.